To create a team in Ripl, start by opening your web browser and typing in Ripl. Then click on the Ripl.com option that appears. This will take you to the Ripl webpage, where you'll see various icons and options, including Home, My Post, My Brand, and My Account, as well as a search bar, gift icon, and help center icon. Once logged in, click on My Brand to access the option to create a team. Here, you can choose from existing businesses or add a new one. Within the business settings, you can customize creative elements such as brand fonts, colors, and logos, and manage team settings. To create a team, invite team members to join and collaborate on posts, which will help link up and grow your business together. The process involves going to My Brand, then Team, and inviting team members to create the team.